Imagine walking through the elegant streets of Paris, where the air is filled with the scent of roses, jasmine, and something mysteriously luxurious. France isn't just the home of fashion, it's the capital of fragrance. In this video, we'll explore 7 must-visit perfume boutiques in France, from niche perfumers to iconic houses. We'll also dive into why France is globally renowned for its perfume industry. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. France's perfume legacy traces back to the 17th century, when Louis XV's court was famously dubbed La Cour Parfumerie, the perfumed court, due to their lavish use of scents. Perfume wasn't just reserved for the skin, it was used to scent gloves, fans, and even furniture. As time progressed, this deep appreciation for fragrance evolved into an industry where craftsmanship, elegance, and innovation collided. Nestled in the French Riviera, Grasse became the undisputed perfume capital of the world. With its ideal climate and fertile soil, Grasse flourished as the birthplace of some of the most exquisite floral ingredients, like jasmine, tuberose, and May rose, essential to French perfumery. Today, France continues to lead the world in fragrance, home to luxury houses, artistic niche perfumers, and centuries-old expertise. The Made in France label on a perfume bottle speaks of authenticity, quality, and sophistication. Perfumes in these boutiques typically range from 80 to 300 euros, with bespoke creations often reaching much higher prices. And here's something fun to keep in mind as you browse. France celebrates National Perfume Day every June, and it takes about 1,600 rose flowers just to produce a single ounce of essential oil. Tucked near the opulent Palais Garnier, Fragrance de l'Opéra is an experience in itself. Stepping inside feels like entering a miniature opera house for your senses. The boutique showcases an elegant selection of both French and international niche fragrances, catering to those with refined tastes. From sophisticated woody compositions to soft floral bouquets, the boutique is a haven for discovering rare and artfully crafted perfumes. The ambiance mirrors the elegance of its surroundings, with gold accents, velvet textures, and lighting that feels like a stage spotlight just for you. Whether you're seeking a gift or a signature scent, this boutique provides a luxurious and memorable shopping experience. Located in the hip and historic Le Marais district, Sens Unique is for the rule breakers of the perfume world. The boutique pulses with creativity and modernity, dedicated to avant-garde artistic fragrances you won't find on department store shelves. This perfume house prides itself on showcasing independent, often under-the-radar brands that challenge olfactory norms. Expect to encounter bold scent profiles. Think smoked leather, green tomato leaf, or even ink. If you're hunting for something unexpected, something that tells your story, this is your destination. When luxury meets artistry, you get Maison Kurkdjian. Created by one of France's most celebrated perfumers, the boutique is synonymous with sophistication. Set in an upscale part of Paris, its interiors are clean, modern, and as refined as the fragrances within. Signature scents like Baccarat Rouge 540 have become cult favorites, warm, luminous, and long-lasting. Kurkdjian blends traditional French perfume making with a contemporary twist, offering compositions that feel classic yet current. The boutique also offers discovery sets and gift editions, making it a perfect stop for thoughtful luxury gifting. Nose isn't just a perfume shop, it's a diagnostic experience. This concept store blends technology with tradition, offering customers a personalized fragrance consultation. After answering a few questions and testing samples, you're matched with your ideal perfumes. Housing a curated selection of over 50 niche brands, Nose is both a discovery lab and a perfume playground. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious first-timer, the expert staff and data-driven approach make this a standout experience in Paris's fragrance scene. In the heart of the Marais, Le Studio des Parfums turns the art of fragrance into a personal journey. This boutique meets lab lets you create your own perfume under the guidance of skilled perfumers. After a brief lesson on fragrance notes and structure, you begin blending your custom scent from over 100 essences. You leave not only with a perfume bottle bearing your name, but also with a deepened appreciation for perfumery. This hands-on experience is perfect for romantic getaways, bridal parties, or simply indulging in your inner creator. From edgy boutiques to centuries-old traditions, French perfumery offers something for every nose. Whether you're on the hunt for a bold new signature scent or simply craving an unforgettable olfactory adventure, these 5 spots are a perfect starting point to explore the magic of French fragrance. What's your dream fragrance? Bold, floral, woody, or sweet? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a sensational discovery. See you in the next video.